Welcome to the ReadyArc Weld Automation Center. ReadyArc offers a wide selection of welding positioners, manipulators, turning rolls, and other weld automation products, available for rent, lease, and purchase. Our team of experts are here to advise you on the right equipment for the job and can create a custom automation solution to meet the requirements of your project. Weld positioners allow welders to safely and efficiently approach each weldment from the best angle for welding. We carry a complete line of positioning equipment that covers a broad range of welding applications, from benchtop to fixed and adjustable floor models and welding turntables, head and tailstock to other large capacity positioners for virtually any size of weldment, with low capacities up to 50 tons.
When selecting a positioner, it's important to consider several factors. The first being the gross weight of the weldment, diameter, and the length to determine the correct sizing of the positioner. Load ranges are given for a specific distance above the surface of the work plate, which accounts for the weight of the weldment at a given distance from the work plate, which is referred to as center of gravity overhang. Eccentricity is another important factor to consider. If the workpiece is mounted with its center of gravity off the rotation axis and the table is not in a horizontal position, the positioner's rotation drive needs to have adequate rotational torque to handle the load as the table rotates. When trying to size positioners, there are three important factors. One is the maximum weight of the workpiece, second is the tilt torque, and the third is the rotational torque. The next thing you need to look at are the chucks. These specialized clamps are affixed to the workpiece to safely center the workpiece before welding. The welding positioner chuck can accommodate the part by clamping on the ID or the OD of the part for quick setup. For a proper selection of the right welding positioner and chuck, get in touch with one of your ReadyArc weld automation experts to work with you on the proper sizing of positioning equipment needed for your job. Calculating these weights and other important factors are crucial to your safety and success of your job.
Welding manipulators, also known as column and booms, provide consistent and accurate placement of the welding head for automatic welding processes, including circumferential ID or OD and longitudinal welding applications. The manipulator can rotate manually 360 degrees on the base to achieve the desired work angle. These are commonly used together with positioners and turning rolls. Because the welding torch movement is mechanized, you can maximize the quality and efficiency of welding tasks, taking away much of the dependency on operator skill, achieving more consistency than even on a highly skilled welder, especially on repetitive work. The manipulator can also be outfitted with an optional motorized travel car for movability on a rail for large vessel applications. Manipulators are a great option when performing weld processes like submerged arc welding, gas metal arc welding, and hot wire gas tungsten arc welding.
ReadyArc offers standard and custom designed complete turnkey weld automation packages, which can include integrated controls such as digital touchscreen interfaces, camera systems, motorized cross slides, and tactical probe seam trackers. Our team of engineers and welding professionals will provide you with weld process recommendations and set up all your equipment for optimized reliability, functionality, and cost-effective productivity. Let us help you improve your weld production with the right equipment solution today.
Turning rolls accommodate the rotation of large pipes, pressure vessels, and tanks of varying diameters and weights. This is important for safety and to prevent worker fatigue when dealing with large round components. Workpieces such as large diameter pipe can cause situations where a worker may have to put themselves in awkward positions or go underneath the workpiece, which can be extremely dangerous. Turning rolls remove these risks by allowing the workpiece to roll so that the welder is always in the most ergonomic, advantageous position. A manipulator is paired with the turning rolls to accommodate the welding equipment for increased welding production on pipe vessel applications.
ReadyArc can provide turning rolls for virtually any capacity weldment. These rolls can be used in shop and field applications. We can accommodate any job from standard rolls to more custom SAR rolls, known as self-aligning rolls. With various selections from 3 tons to 400 tons, these rolls are offered with poly or steel wheel type options. We've got you covered for small pipe stands and motorized pipe rollers, all the way up to the fit-up beds and complete grow line systems. Let us help you improve your welding skills and welding quality today with automation. Visit us at ReadyArc.com or give us a call.